Alright folks, today we're going to try the chocolate fudge. And since this isn't as experimental a frosting peanut butter recipe as like the lemon or the cherry or the strawberry or other ones I've done, I'm going to go ahead. This should be more predictable. Should be more of a traditional fudge. I'm going to add some walnuts to today's recipe. Alright, so we have an 8-ounce package of walnuts here. I'm going to add, I don't know, maybe about half of it. Stir that up a little bit, see how it looks. I think that's going to be good, about half of that package, so about 4 ounces of walnuts. Yeah, that looks good. Time to butter up my platter here. Just going to spread that out a little bit so that all my pieces are even thickness, because it does lumps up a little bit in the middle. All right, put that in the fridge, let it sit. Alright, this should be delicious. And it is. Very good. Peanut butter fudge with walnuts. Alright, there we go. Got it 2 layers here in this tin. Ready to go to the party.